First step, the circle has to match the face circle. Start with the upper left edge. Then the bottom right edge. Then the upper right edge. Don't tighten the screws. Then the bottom left edge. Don't tighten the screws here also. Now install the two parts to become one piece. Now tighten the screws on the upper right, then tighten the screws on the bottom left. Tighten the frame hangers. Rotate the edges of the picture. And push hard towards the frame. Push inside around all over the edges. All set.